everyone, it's Tony here from XLA.com. So today we're going to do a short review on this all-new helicopter that we received from Walkera. This is the 4F200LM. And as you guys can see here, very nice scale-looking helicopter down to the body and even up here on the top three-bladed rotor head up here. You guys are probably getting tired of seeing all of the smaller, new helicopters that Walkera's coming out with, like the coaxial helicopters. This one is a little bit different. It's a 6-channel helicopter, so yes, it is able to do inverted and maybe a little bit of aerobatics, but I'm not gonna try in this video just because it's a scale helicopter and it's not meant to fly, 3D or anything like that. Let's talk a bit more about this helicopter. This helicopter should be available in the ready-to-fly package, which comes with this Walkera 2603 transmitter, and it should also be available in the ARF package, which does not include this transmitter. For some of you guys out there who already have, these transmitters from the previous Walkera helicopters. And then if you guys want more information, you guys can also check out XLA.com for all of the latest update when this helicopter is available. Just because this right here now is a sample, and things do change for the production units. And let's talk a little more about this helicopter. As you guys can see here, very nice scale body on here. Walkera did a really good job of paying special attention to all of the details, the fine details on this helicopter. Up here to the front body, even down here to the scale landing struts, the landing gear struts, and even back here on the tail brace cross members back here. Just a very nice and gorgeous looking helicopter. And up here, the main blades are made out of carbon fiber, so it's very stiff and very durable. And yet, well, not very durable. If you crash, it's gonna most likely break, but it's just very stiff, and it should make this helicopter very stable. You have aluminum rotor head, even the swash plate and the washout base right here is all made out of metal. It's a very nice looking helicopter. It has the receiver, servos already, pre-installed. You have 4 servos, 3 for the cyclics and 1 for the tail. And I believe these are digital servos, so it's going to be nice and nice, crisp, responsive, and very accurate servos. It comes with the brushless, speed control reinstalled, and with a brushless motor. I'm not sure on the exact size of the brushless motor, but once this helicopter is available, you guys should see the exact size if you guys are wondering what size brushless motor this helicopter has. And let me show you guys a little something unique about this helicopter. As you guys can see here, when I'm spinning the main blades, the tail blades are spinning back here, which is very good because right now you have a very small steel wire driven from the front main gear all the way down to the tail gears back here. So you have a very smooth and consistent tail performance just because the tail works the same time as the main blades. So this tail should be very stable and hold rock solid in any kind of flying conditions. The battery that comes with this helicopter is a 2-cell 1500 mAh battery pack, and you guys can see here it fits right up in here, so it's a very nice battery compartment, which will only fit maybe this size battery. So you guys are pretty much stuck with this 2-cell 1500 mAh and this size battery that will only fit in this helicopter. So let me plug in the battery and show you guys how this helicopter performs. So lock it up and see how it goes. As you guys probably can't see here, but there is a slight breeze. So this helicopter is just very stable with the all-new 3-axis gyro system from Walkera, which Walkera now calls the 3G system. Just fly it around. Do a little bit of nosing for you guys. It just hovers very easy. It is it's not a coaxial, so it will not fly itself. So you guys have to be in control at all times, but it's just very stable if you guys have a little bit of experience with flying these 6-channel helicopters. Seems to be really smooth, even with this 2-cell 1500 mAh LiPo. The wind is picking up, but this helicopter flies, just very smooth with this 3-axis gyro system on here. We fly a little bit lower to the dirt path right here. Try to kick up some dust just because it looks pretty cool when the dust is flying up. Tail holds really nice. Right now I'm just moving the tail, letting it go, and the tail just locks in as soon as I let go. You guys can see there, tapping it, letting it go. The tail just holds really good. Another climb out. Climbs out really quick. Let me do it again since maybe the camera guy kind of missed it a little bit. And all of this is in normal mode with no idle up curve already, mixed in. Just straight up normal mode. Tons of power. Follow it around some more. Really smooth, you can just toss it around. Let me go for a landing. Lots of dust kicking up, but it's a very fun helicopter to fly, you know? This is pretty much straight out of the box with no adjustments or anything done to this helicopter. All I did was charge the battery, brought it to the field, and took it up for the first flight. And it just flies very good. Unplug the battery to be safe. Let me check the temperature of the battery to make sure nothing is overloading or overheating. And I probably flew for about, I would say 3-4 minutes, not even, well, I'll say three minutes, but the battery is still nice and cool, not even hot or warm, so that's very good that this battery is perfect for this helicopter. And I would say I could probably get up to about 5-6 minutes depending on how I fly this helicopter, which is not bad for a helicopter this size for a 6-channel helicopter. Oh, turn on transmitter. Flies very good. Yeah, I saw in the video it hovers pretty smooth. It's not a coaxial once again, so it will not fly itself, but it flies just like any other 6-channel helicopter or collective pitch helicopter. Wherever you point it, that's where it goes, so it's pretty smooth and accurate. And there is adjustments that if you guys want to fine-tune the system even more for, you know, for flying aerobatic, if you guys want to do some loops, rolls, or even, you know, faster pirouettes, you guys can adjust it all onto the 3G system from Walkera on this helicopter. Well, that's pretty much it. That was the short overview and flight review of this all-new sample from Walkera. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And remember to leave us a comment of what you guys think about this helicopter and if you guys like it or not. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, guys. You know what? I finished the review, but I couldn't resist of going inverted with this helicopter. So let me try to turn up the flight mode or idle switch and see what happens. So spooling on up. Put about quarter throttle. Let me put into flip the switch. Make sure I have negative. See where I fly at. So right now, flies just about the same. Flip it over. Oh, inverted. Pulling on out, flipping over. Oh, that's so cool. All right, let me land this while it's still in one piece because the battery's probably getting low and I don't want to force it too much. But you guys just saw the little last bonus clip at the very end of me going inverted with this helicopter. Actually, that was kind of a rush because everything was nice and slow on here. So you can't just expect to, you know, just bang it around, but it will go inverted, which is a little bit different with the scale helicopter. So right now I'm a little bit of kind of shaking a little bit because it was a lot of fun. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching.